Bringing a new puppy into your home is an absolutely magical experience, a moment filled with unparalleled excitement and pure joy. That first glimpse of their tiny face, the feel of their soft fur, and the sound of their playful yips can melt even the toughest of hearts. You are embarking on a wonderful journey, one that will be filled with unconditional love, laughter, and countless memories. This little being is about to become a cherished member of your family, a loyal companion who will look to you for everything. The bond you are about to build is one of the most special connections a person can have, built on trust, patience, and a shared life of adventure and discovery. This joy also marks the beginning of a significant responsibility. The first weeks are critical for building trust and security. Create a predictable daily routine so your puppy understands what to expect. Dogs thrive on consistency. It reduces anxiety. Set regular times for meals, potty breaks, playtime, and bedtime. Take them out first thing in the morning, after every meal and nap, and right before bed. Create a puppy zone for safe, short, unsupervised moments. This is their special den, not a punishment. Use a baby gate or playpen in a kitchen or family room to section space. Equip it with a comfy bed, a few safe chew toys, and fresh water. Reward going in with a special toy or treat to build positive feelings. Expose your puppy to sights, sounds, and gentle experiences at a comfortable distance. Let them hear the vacuum, see new people from afar, and take it slowly. Try different surfaces and reward calm curiosity with praise and treats. Early positive exposure prevents fear and builds confidence. Use positive reinforcement. Reward what you want, redirect what you don't. Choosing the right food shapes your puppy's long-term health. Puppies need more protein, fat, vitamins, and minerals. Pick high-quality puppy food with a named meat, chicken, lamb, or fish, as the first ingredient. Avoid generic byproducts, corn fillers, and artificial additives. Balanced nutrition fuels immunity, strong bones, and brain development. Dry kibble is convenient, easy to measure, and can help reduce tartar. Wet food is tasty and hydrating, but often pricier. Many owners use a mix. Start with the food they came with. If switching, mix over 7 to 10 days to protect digestion. Under 6 months, feed 3 times daily. Around 6 months, transition to 2 meals. Use package guidelines, then adjust. Feel ribs easily, but don't see them. Excess weight strains joints. Keep portions right. Provide fresh water at all times and wash bowls daily. Never feed chocolate, onions, grapes, or anything with xylitol. Stick to puppy food and dog-safe treats. Fuel to learn, play, and grow. Introduce grooming early as a calm, positive ritual, just a few minutes a day. Touch paws, ears, and mouth, rewarding cooperation to prepare for trims, cleanings, and vet exams. Keep it short and sweet. Only bathe when needed. Use mild puppy shampoo, a non-slip mat, and lukewarm water. Avoid eyes and ears, speak soothingly, and celebrate after. Puppies sleep 18 to 20 hours a day. Designate a peaceful sleeping area, crate or cozy bed. Make the crate positive with meals and special toys. A clear bedtime routine helps them settle. Rested puppies behave better. Puppy-proof your home. Secure cords, move toxic plants, and lock away chemicals and meds. Provide safe chew toys to protect your shoes and furniture. Use gates to block hazards and supervise exploration so learning stays safe. Vaccinations protect your puppy from serious, potentially fatal diseases. A vaccine safely trains the immune system to recognize threats and build antibodies. Maternal immunity fades around 6 to 8 weeks, precisely when vaccines are needed. As they explore, vaccines build a protective shield against environmental exposure. Skipping vaccines risks parvo, distemper, and more. Prevention is simple, safe, and effective. Your vet tailors a schedule to age, needs, and local risks. Core Combo, DAP, protection against distemper, adenovirus, parainfluenza, and parvovirus. Start at 6 to 8 weeks, boosters every 3 to 4 weeks until at least 16 weeks. Rabies at 12 to 16 weeks, then boosted per law. Keep the certificate and tag. Lifestyle may warrant Bordetella, Lyme, or Lepto. Discuss with your vet. Choose a low-stress clinic. Bring high-value treats, a familiar blanket, and arrive early. Be your puppy's advocate. Many exams and shots can be done on your lap or the floor. Do quick, happy visits to build positive associations. With consistency, patience, positivity, great nutrition, complete vaccines, and lots of love, enjoy every moment of this adventure.